In this video, I will show you how to buy Ethereum on Kraken. So you can do this on the app or website, whichever one you want to use. So just open it up and go to Trade. Now from Trade, click Buy. And here you want to search for Ethereum. So you can just search ETH, so ETH, and from there you will find it. So select Ethereum. Now here choose how much you want to buy. For example, I'll do €1. From there, click on the purple arrow, that is the next button. And then you will get to this overview that says buy however much of ETH. Now here you're just going to click on confirm if you want to confirm it, and then the order will go through and now you will have bought the Ethereum. So now you know how to buy Ethereum on Kraken. Again, you can do this on the mobile app or on the desktop website, whichever one you want to use. If this video on how to buy Ethereum on Kraken was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.